Hi, how are you today? Do you want to save the world? I'm from Greenpeace. Have you heard about the Greenpeace organization? It's a really cool organization. Everyone's support will make a big difference. Join us today.
I don't think so. Sorry.
Okay, why not?
Thank you so much. Welcome to join us. Thank you.
So why didn't you sign up?
Because I don't care. It's a lot of bull.
You know, probably bad karma.
Karma shmarma. Who cares? Where did that come from? Oh my god, I hear that Mark is finally going to Dartford. God, it's about time. She's such a little slut. Yeah.
Is that all you can think about?
What do you mean?
You just got attacked by some random branch. You don't think that's some kind of sign?
Oh, whatever. It's a coincidence. Ah! Oh, it's on my head. God, what the hell? Ugh. What? Oh my god, it's not funny.
Well, pretty unlucky.
Ugh, this is bull. Red Bull. I need my fix.
What's wrong with you?
Okay, I'm gonna go find the Greenpeace lady. I'm going, and there is nothing you can do to stop me.